I am here to help you understand the concept of gesture recognition in a minute. Hello and welcome to Minute Article. I would like to talk about a vision-based technology that uses motion sensor and camera to read and interpret the human gestures as commands or primary source of input data. I am talking about the technology of gesture recognition that has grabbed the attention by providing a seamless human-computer interaction. Instead of typing commands with the help of a camera, a device detects the hand or the body movements. Machine learning algorithm feeds on the image data, identifies and interprets each registered real-time gesture to match with the predefined gesture library. When the match is found, the device executes the command correlating to the specific gesture. The technology of gesture recognition has built engaging live experiences and interactive experiences not only in gaming industry but every industry, you name it, with its touchscreen gesture recognition. Introducing a sci-fi menu to satiate the user's appetite with magical powers that recognize human gesture has the mid-air gesture of this innovative technology gained momentum? Your answer matters. If you like my articulation, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Minute Article. Next Thursday, I will be back again with some more new insights. This is me, Madhavi Desai, signing off.